Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Sky is Limitless.
Today, I will explain the concept of images formed by lenses through experiments. The phenomena of physics that I am explaining today is that of refraction.
Refraction means bending of light as it passes through different mediums like lenses. We use these lenses in our everyday lives like in spectacles without realizing how they work and how they refract light. For this experiment, I collected a number of lenses from an optical shop. See this lens, it feels thicker in the middle and thinner at the edges. You can see the difference clearly. This is a convex lens, that is a converging lens. On the other hand, look at this lens. I can feel it is thinner in the middle and thicker at the edges. So it is a concave lens or a diverging lens. Remember, light can pass through these lenses as they are transparent.
Now, I am placing a convex lens in the path of the sun rays. On the other side of the lens, I am placing a paper and adjusting the distance between the lens and the paper till I get a bright spot on the paper. This is the real image of the sun by a convex lens. Remember, this is a converging lens and my paper starts burning.
Now I'll be replacing this convex lens with the concave lens. And as you can see, whatever I do, we don't get a focal point even in the other direction, whereas in this we get a focal point immediately. So the concave lens is a diverging lens, which means it is diverging the light which is falling on this point like this. So there would be no focal point here and therefore the paper will not burn. As you can see, right now I have two lasers and I have some talcum powder which I'll spray so that the rays are easily visible. This is a stand and this is a convex lens. So now if I spray it, you can see the two lasers are converging. As you can see. Now I have placed a concave lens and as you can see, the light rays are diverging. So clearly this shows that a concave lens is a diverging lens and a convex lens is a converging lens. In this convex lens, the light gets refracted, that is bent to a focal point, which is point P in this case. So this is a convex lens which is a converging lens. This is a concave lens and it is a diverging lens. So as you can see, this is diverging the light rays and there is no focal point here. So how do our glasses or spectacles correct our vision when the light rays do not converge on the retina but fall before the retina? This condition is called myopia or nearsightedness, in which a person cannot see far off objects. So we need a concave lens which will diverge the light, and the natural convex lens of the eye will help to converge the light correctly onto the retina. Hypermetropia or farsightedness is a condition in which one cannot see closer objects. The light rays are converging behind the retina. Artificial convex lens in our spectacles will converge the light rays, and natural convex lens in human eyes will further converge the light rays to correctly fall on the retina. This is how the combination of artificial lenses and the convex lens in our eye help in treating myopia and hypermetropia. Thank you.